Now, remember viewers, apart from Eternal, that Zomato, even Swiggy is pulling up 7.5% higher. So let's compare the charts of both Zomato and Swiggy now. You did talk about Eternal. Arpit already. What about Swiggy? How is it poised? Do you think it's also gauging some strength only from Zomato's earnings, especially Blinkit's earnings that have come in this time around? Do they point to probably Swiggy also reporting better set of numbers, and that's why the stock is moving up?
So definitely there's a rippling effect that is happening on this space as a whole. And if you look at the chart scale of Swiggy also from last month itself, it gave some signs of bottoming out on the monthly scale, where the stock corrected from almost 600 to almost 320 levels. In the June series, the stock has seen good rebound from the lower levels. And if you look at the monthly setup, a classical range breakout on the weekly and the daily setup above 400 levels. And definitely from here on also, there are more legs of rally in Swiggy towards 450, 480 levels. So from a position perspective, a good risk reward favorable setup. After a long time, it has given a range breakout above 405 levels, and definitely that effect can be seen towards 440, 460 levels. So it still looks good on the chart for a 2 to 3 weeks perspective.
Okay, got that. Let me also welcome Jay Thakkar. He's also joining in on the program with us now. Jay, good morning to you and good to have you with us. Finally, your internet seems to be sorted out. I want to first begin on the food delivery space. That seems to be in action, right from yesterday. It started off with Eternal, right after it's posted its numbers, and 7% higher yesterday, another 10% up today. And Swiggy is also up by about 7.5%. Do you think the worst is over for the industry? It was actually consolidating for a long haul. Is it ready for catapulting to a higher trajectory for both Zomato and Swiggy? Even InfoEdge is higher by about 4% as the company holds about 13% stake in Eternal, worth about $4.5 billion. So all of this food delivery, e-commerce aspect is coming back. What would you do? And which is your favorite between Zomato and Swiggy?
Hi, good morning to you, Sakshi, and first of all, apologies for coming late, and of course, there was few of the internet issues, but then Sakshi, I would say that as far as these two stocks are concerned, which you have asked, in fact, I use the services of both of them, and so that's how it is. I mean, and they are quite reasonable as well. I think the delivery space have definitely picked up quite well in India. As far as the adaptability is concerned among the users is also quite high and is increasing day on day. So definitely, I think the overall space for the long term is good. The only issue I would say fundamentally could be that if any other player actually jumps into this and provides some better deals, then I understand it takes time to develop these kind of businesses. I mean, they have definitely spent many years, burned a lot of cash, and thereafter turned profitable as far as Eternal is concerned. But then I think that in the short term we had seen a lot of short, but that was built up in Eternal. The initial rally, structure which we have seen was mainly on account of short covering. And now we are seeing fresh longs also getting around. So I think about the lifetime highs of 308, 310. Zomato, that's Eternal, is likely to inch higher towards the levels of 350, 370 as well. And among the two, if I have to choose one, it has to be Zomato first. But I use the services of both. That is a distinct, I can say.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.